Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified. So as you guys know, the Pink Friday sale ended up very recently on Nykaa, and it's a huge sale which comes every year, and I ended up buying quite a lot of stuff at a really good deals. So I got some skincare, makeup and also some miscellaneous stuff. So if you're interested in knowing what and all I got for this Pink Friday sale, then keep on watching. So firstly, I'm gonna share all the skincare products that I got so that it will be much more convenient for me to share. And the first thing that I got is this Mcaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. So there was like a good deal going on Mcaffeine, so I thought of buying it. And I also got the Mcaffeine's body polishing oil. So as the winter seasons are going on, I thought of buying something which is helpful and which I will be using in this winter seasons. So the first product is this body scrub. So this comes in a glass jar, which is very good, which is also environment friendly and makes the job very easy and hassle free. So this has Arabica coffee in it. So what you're supposed to do is you have to take a scoop of this product on your wet hands and you will have to apply all over your body. So what this coffee does is that it removes all the dead particles present and also it nourishes your skin. So I have heard a lot of reviews on this product, and that's the reason why I thought of giving it a shot. And I have used this product for couple of times, and I just want to use this couple more times so that I can give a detailed review on this product. And next up I have this, and okay, so by the way, this is 100 grams of product. So I will not be able to mention the prices of this product because I got this on sale. So also I'll mention all the products links in the description box below, so if you are interested you can go and check it out. And the next one is this body polishing oil. So this comes in this glass jar. The one thing which I like about the Mcaffeine is that they use all the glass jars mostly, and which is environmental friendly. So as you can see, there are like coffee beans present in this. So this is a very good oil, and this does not makes your skin sticky, so which is very good. And even I have tried this for a couple of times, and I just want to try a couple more times and then I can share a review on these two products. So the best part is that I have got these two products, and I got a free mini products which probably I don't have now because I have used and I have thrown away. And also the best part is that I got this Mcaffeine cup pouch with this free, so which is very good. And this is a very good and sturdy pouch. The material is also so good. And so next up I have the Plums green tea gel. So this is a night gel. So I have been searching for a good night gel because I just wanted to add a very good night gel in my night skincare routine. So I have ended up buying this particular product. So this comes in a tub like so. This is the glass tub, and this has 50 ml of product in it, and the consistency is so good. Like, I just wanted to show you the consistency. So as you can see, this is the water based gel based cream. So yeah, I have been using this for 2 to 3 times I guess. So this is doing a pretty good job. So yeah. So moving forward towards moisturizer, this time I have invested in a very good moisturizer. I have heard a lot of reviews about that, and that is the Neutrogena's Hydro Boost moisturizer. So this is the water gel moisturizer, and I have been hearing a lot of reviews about this, and I was like, this product is completely like, it's too expensive for the amount you are getting. So as you can see, this is something the packaging looks like, and it comes in a very safe manner. Like, okay, so this is the particular product which I was talking about, and this is the 50 ml product, and this cost you around just a minute. Okay, the actual price of this product is 950. So 950 is quite a bit expensive for 50 ml product. So I was not sure of buying this product, but then this time there was a good deal on this product. I think the product was about 750 something around, so I thought of giving it a shot. And I literally wanted to try a best moisturizer, so that's the reason why I have been trying. I got this particular moisturizer. I also have another alternative for this moisturizer, which is the Pond's Super Light Gel. So that is an affordable, and also you can get a larger quantity in a very affordable range. And the best part of this moisturizer is that it makes your skin so even, and it feels like you have put so much of effort on your skin to make it so. And that's the reason why I'm liking this particular product. So I have been trying this particular product from last 6 days, so I'll just try this for more 6 days and then I would share review on this product. So yeah, this is the best buy and best ever moisturizer that I have got. So when we have talked about the expensive moisturizer, let's also talk about the lip balm, which is the best part of my haul is this Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. So I have been wanted to try this Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is slightly towards expensive side and there is no offer available on this particular product. I have seen many offers running on Nykaa, but there was never any offer available on this particular lip balm. So I have been hearing about this particular lip balm a lot, and I'm someone who always get dry and chapped lips no matter which season it is, and the product in this, the lip balm, comes till here, like, can you imagine, till here. So I don't think you have to invest in a bigger pot. Instead you can just try this smaller version, and this costs you around 500, but I really say that this worth every penny you are spending on this product. So what I do is I just apply before bed and I wake up with a buttery soft lips, and I mean it. I assure that this product works the best on your lips. So next up I got the Khadi's Natural Papaya and Rose Scrub. So I have used this particular scrub a couple of years back, but I don't know why did I change or switch from this product. This particular scrub has mild granules present in it and it does very good job on your face. Like, it removes the dead skin present on your face and it smoothens and nourishes your skin. Actually I was running out of my scrub, so I thought of ordering the same scrub. So this is the best scrub ever. So I have tried the Everyuth, Mcaffeine, so many scrubs, but the granules present in that are slightly thicker, and it is little harsh on my skin. I don't know if you are comfortable with that, but I personally prefer a mild scrub. So that's the reason why I have switched towards this again. So I was running out of my stock, like I was running out of my lotion, so I thought of buying this. And this particular lotion I have been trying from ages. Like, when I have started applying lotion, from that day onwards I'm using the Nivea one. I have also used the Vaseline lotion, which is quite a good one. So this time I have got the shea butter one, which smells so good. And there was like a nice offer going on this product. This is the 400 ml. As the winter seasons are going on, I think this will last me for whole winter seasons, I guess. So nextly I got another moisturizer from this Pink sale, which is the Simple Ultralight Moisturizer. So I have been wanted to try any sort of product from this Simple brand, because I have heard a lot of reviews about this. Actually I thought of getting the Simple's green tea moisturizer, which is like the green tube one, but it was running out of stock. Even the face wash was running out of stock, and this was available, so I thought of giving it a shot. Even this is like the 50 ml, like smaller tub, so I thought why not try this. And the best part of this particular moisturizer is that it is so light, like it is like watery consistency, and it says that it is a ultralight liquid moisturizer. And apart from that, it says that it mattifies, controls oil, hydrates, non-greasy, ultra fast absorption, won't clog your pores. So it is which is very best. And apart from this, you can apply it as a moisturizer, and also you can apply this particular product as your primer beneath your makeup. So that's the reason why I wanted to try this. I am quite happy with this product. So I think I'm almost done with my skincare stuff. Yeah, I'm almost done with my skincare stuff. And apart from my skincare, I got some miscellaneous stuff as well. The first product is this Venus Snap Gillette razor. So I have seen this particular product on Instagram a lot, and I just wanted to try something. However, I have the Gillette razor, the blue wala, but I was running out of the blade, so I just wanted to switch something else, not from Venus, but I just wanted to buy another one. So I thought of buying this particular one. So this comes in this particular packaging. This looks something like this, a mini one. So yeah, this looks so cool actually. So this comes in this container, which is so safe and travel friendly as well. And so this particular Gillette comes in 3 blades. I'll show how this looks. So this is the blade which comes in. So you don't have to apply any gel or cream before shaving your hands or leg. You'll just have to press like so. So this comes something like this, and then you will have to pluck in over here. Oops, my bad. Actually, you will have to plug this towards this side. Yeah. And if you want to remove it, you will have to press here towards upper side, and then you can remove it. So this is how you have to fix this. And this is so compact and so mini. Yeah, as you can see, this is so small than my palm. So that's the reason why I wanted to try this. Just because it looks so cool and fancy, I got this product. Obviously it works good because I have used this blade, so there is no complaint about this. So this, you will have to fix this over here and you're sorted. And just you will have to carry this particular pot. So another miscellaneous stuff is that this is the first ever time that I have ordered jewelry from Nykaa. I always end up buying makeup stuff or skincare stuff from Nykaa, even hair care, but I have never tried any jewelry item from them. So that's the reason why I thought of trying it. And the first product is this hoops. So there was like nice deal offers running on Nykaa on jewelry as well. So this is the set which I got, and this is from Jewels Galaxy. So yeah, and you will get 3 studs over here, the plain stuff, the stone one, the pearl one, and the plain one. And with this you will get 3 hoops. The one I'm wearing right now, as you can see, these are the plain studs which has this kind of back, but for this, as you can see, these has this kind of studs over backside, and this is the open hoops. And next up I have the regular hoops as well, so which is quite a good one. I got this for around 300, I guess, I'm not sure, but I will mention the links of each and every product. So from Nykaa this time I have ordered 3 sets of earrings. So the second set, the first one is this hoop set, and the second one is this beautiful earrings. So as you can see, these are kind of Maharani earrings, I can say. I exactly don't know what these earrings are said, but the print and the detailings going on is so good. So these are the earring set. As you can see, this looks so good, especially on your ethnic wear. Next up I got another earrings which is so heavy, and I have tried this for the first time. I got these earrings for the first time. I haven't tried this yet, so I am supposed to try this. That is this set of earrings. Can you just see the detailing and the size of the earrings? This is quite a bit long. I'll just show you. And even the packaging is so good. Like, as you can see, they have sent something like this, so that this does not damage while delivery. As you can see, this is quite a bit heavy. Looks so glam, so beautiful. The earrings are so beautiful. There was also good sale going on these earrings, so I got this. I will mention the link of these earrings as well. So I'm completely happy with the jewelry. I just like the jewelry. I would be happy always to shop from Nykaa because the detailing, the packaging is everything is good from this. So yeah. Alright, I have realized that this video was getting little longer, so I have decided to divide this video into two parts. So the first part would be the skincare haul and the second part would be the makeup haul. So stay tuned for that as well, which will come very soon on my channel. So yeah guys, this was it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you want me to share any detailed review on any particular product, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do it for you guys. And also you can go check all the links of these products in the description box below. I have mentioned all the links of this product. So yeah guys, this was it for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like, so please hit the like button. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.